to show you how I like to use the Wanderlightly Sacred Serum. This facial oil has been lovingly handcrafted using organic rosehip, cold pressed jojoba, and a mindful blend of essential oils to deeply rejuvenate, repair, and nourish the skin. Now, a little bit of this antioxidant rich facial oil goes a really long way, so I like to apply 2 to 3 drops directly after cleansing and after applying my hyaluronic acid serum. It also absorbs really beautifully into the skin, so it makes a really nice final step in your skincare routine. To apply, I just take a couple of pumps into my hand, massage it together, and then press into the skin. Don't forget your neck and décolleté. And this will help to hydrate the skin and create a beautiful glowing complexion.